Seawalls have protected shoreline properties for over 100 years on Puget Sound beaches in King County, but they've also damaged salmon runs by creating artificial, man-made beach habitat that doesn't support Chinook salmon populations. Such was the case at Seahurst Park in Burien. Over the last few years, the King Conservation District has partnered with the City of Burien to restore Chinook-friendly shoreline habitat at Seahurst Park.
About where that fence line is was the seawall, and it started about 3 feet off the beach. And then when you get down to where the trees are hanging over the edge, it was 7 feet off the beach. While we were investigating, looking into how to repair this failing seawall, we learned that there was an opportunity to not only repair the park infrastructure, but to do it to benefit salmon habitat. And that's how we got to know KCD. KCD helped us really to understand the salmon habitat restoration situation. Baby salmon like to eat small critters that live in the sand. They also like to swim in the shallow water on the shoreline. So when the seawall was here, there wasn't shallow water, it was deep water. The fix was to remove the failing seawall. We actually refilled the beach with sand material, and then we have replanted the shoreline where the wall used to be with native plants. This was a very important project to benefit salmon habitat on Puget Sound, and there's no way we could have done this project without both the technical assistance and especially the financial support from KCD. It helps us leverage other partners and funders like the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, WRIA 9, Department of Fish and Wildlife, Ecology. So all those partnerships, especially ones that start close to home with our own funding, help us leverage state and federal resources to make these projects possible.